Good morning, family. 5. I think yesterday I said today was day 4, but I was just confused. Day 5. It's Friday. I'm gonna try to keep it short and sweet like I did yesterday. Lemon and ginger shot first thing in the morning. Every morning on empty stomach, lemon and ginger shot. Cheers. Okay. Ginger is gingery. This tooth here really bothers me in all my videos. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and make my shake. So I'm going to fast forward it again because it's the same exact shake. If you want the exact recipe, watch my day 1 vlog and I show you the recipe to my shake and tea that I have every morning. Like I never change it. I'm weird. I was very tempted to weigh myself this morning. I did not because I'm gonna try to wait a full week, which means Monday morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my MELISA shot on camera. Cheers. Airdrops in my ear. I took my last antibiotics and go wake up all the kids. Take them to school. I'll take 2 of them to school. The other 2 are coming with me. So I will see you guys at the gym. Let's go. We're here. We're at the gym and these 2 are ready to get out the car. It's Friday. Friday. Going to go to the gym. We'll probably be here for about 2 hours and then we're gonna leave and pick up their sisters from school early today. Going to the gym now. I haven't even made it home from the gym yet, but I had to start eating a banana because I started feeling like nauseous, like I'm hungry nauseous. I'm gonna eat half of this and AJ asked for the other half, so. You okay? You're welcome. So I always joke around and say that AJ is like a real life minion because he loves bananas, talks like a minion, so. See, really big on like listening to your body. So like those 2 bites of the banana, I already feel so much better. Going to run home and wash like really fast and get a protein bar, change AJ's butt, and then we're gonna go pick up your sisters. Kind of upset. Yesterday I put in an order some more protein and some more chocolate shake and some strawberry cheesecake shake. It's just a small order because I don't do a big one until I get my Herbalife check. I just realized I totally should have ordered some Rebuild because I need a post-workout shake. So I really need to get me some more Rebuild. I need a post-workout shake. So if someone can put in the comments and remind me to stop slacking and to order my Rebuild on my next order, and I'll bring it with me to the gym so I can just shake it up and drink it as I'm driving home so that I don't get that caca feeling. Alright, I'm gonna run in here and grab my protein bar, wash up, and get going. So I'll be back on the vlog later. Back in the car, and we are leaving to go pick up their sisters from school. I already said that in the other video. That's gonna be before this one, but anyway, it'll be my snack today since I'm on the go. this one is the salted caramel one that I was like ranting and raving about, saying they didn't have no more. I did like research and found it online. I ordered it, came the same day. This one actually has 20 grams of protein. Now it has more calories, but I don't really count calories. I just make sure I'm eating right, like the good calories. And it's 20 grams of protein. My first snack. I'm telling y'all, Power Crunch is like my favorite. Sponsor me. And of course, I have my big thing of water. I will be back. I might actually have a healthy meal for lunchtime today instead of a snack because I won't be in the car during that time. See you guys soon. Peace out. I don't know if I waited too long to eat, but I'm hungry. And then I was like, dang, what do I want? Like a turkey sandwich or a chicken sandwich? So then I decided to make a chicken sandwich. So first I'm gonna get my chicken. I'm gonna make a lot because my daughter saw me taking everything out. Already has a turkey sandwich, but she was like, oh, you should totally make me one. So I'm going to make her one. So I'm making me and Kimura a sandwich. I'll just show you how. Hello. Now all my chicken is chopped. I just cleaned my cutting board. Got this buffalo wing sauce. Pour this on top like that. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave. Alright, so I got cucumber. I'm going to slice cucumber. So I'm going to put the cucumbers to the side. Okay, so I had this whole piece romaine heart. Cut off the end like that. I'm just going to chop it all the way across. Too. And then I'm gonna put this whole thing.
Cadence, are you a pimp? I don't know. You're definitely. I'm scared of cat. That's what I am. Whatever I'm scared of cat is.
I'm going to get an onion. To my lettuce. We're gonna get banana peppers. We're gonna chop these up.
We gonna watch the 90s.
Add that into here. I'm all in half. Yeah, mixture. Onion powder. Some garlic powder. Some Italian seasoning. Pepper. And these, and we're just gonna put just a little bit, not a lot. That's what it looks like. These are my thins. Going to put some mozzarella cheese, and then we're going to put it in the air fryer to toast it.
Wait, can I show your vlog my sandwich?
Yeah, Cadence wants to share her sandwich.
My sandwich and my matcha.
All right, so I'm gonna go put these in the air fryer.
Yeah.
Again. We're going to get our mix.
Hi.
I see. Who needs a restaurant when you got Melissa? Boom. Period.
Period.
That's what I'm eating today.
Let
Let me take a pretty video. This is my healthy meal for today. Okay, I finished my sandwich. Absolutely amazing. The video quality was really bad. Just hungry and excited to make it, but I still showed you. Of course, now I'm having a tea. Like breakfast and lunch, I have tea. Yeah, keeping it short and sweet. I don't know what I'm gonna have for my second snack. Supposed to be helping my brother move tonight. He's gonna be my neighbor. So awesome. I'll just come back on here in a little bit. You guys what my snack is, and of course I'll have a shake and Melissa for dinner. I'm gonna have this with a little bit of yogurt. I'll show you. So I cut them up into little lines. It's so good. It's a bunch of protein. It's my second snack. I am at my brother's new house. I'm helping them move in. 5 minutes away from me. I'm so happy. I brought my shake with me. Well, I took my Perlis right before I left the house. I'm gonna start drinking it now because it's already 10:30. Say hi, Johnny. Okay, that's it for day 5.
The rug?
AJ's finishing my dinner, and that's it. Say goodnight, vlog.
Good night, vlog. Good night, baby.